Magandang araw, teachers. So let us now continue our let review on world geography, specifically on the capital cities of the countries around the world. So this is now the part 3 of our presentation, and this consists of 10 countries. Okay, so shall we now start? We will explore country number 1. Which of these is the capital of Australia? A city designed as a compromise between two rival cities and known for its lush parks, political institutions, and architectural marvels. A. Wellington, B. Canberra, C. Sydney, and D. Melbourne. The answer is not Sydney. It's also not Melbourne, but it is letter B, Canberra. Okay, so while we often thought that Sydney and Melbourne as the country's largest and famous cities, neither of them is the capital of Australia. It is Canberra. Okay, so Canberra here is a small city situated between Sydney and Melbourne. It was chosen as Australia's capital in 1908 as a compromise between two rival cities, the Sydney and the Melbourne. Okay, so here is now, look at the picture here attached. This is the Australian War Memorial. This is a national war memorial and museum dedicated to all Australian who died after or during the war. Okay? Country number 2, what is the capital of Portugal? A city known for its hilly streets, historic tram system, and a cultural hub that beautifully blends medieval charm with contemporary life. A. Valencia, B. Faro, C. Lisbon, and D. Porto. Ang sagot natin ay letter C. It's Lisbon. Okay, so this is Portugal. Okay, and here is Lisbon, its capital city. Okay, so the picture here beside this one, the memorial to Portugal's many explorers in the monument to the discoveries. This one. So this is designed like a ship with the number of famous faces aboard. Number 3, which of this is the capital of Mexico? Famous for its bustling streets, rich culinary traditions, and as a center of art and history with ancient ruins and colonial architecture. A. Cancun, B. Oaxaca, C. Mexico City, and D. Havana. The answer is letter C. It's just Mexico City. Okay, so this is the map. This is Mexico, and the Mexico City is their capital city. All right. So the picture here attached. This one. This is El Angel de la Independencia. Okay. It is also known as the Angel of Independence. Look at the structure, this one. Okay, this is a monument located in Mexico City, the capital of Mexico. Its history is closely related with the country's struggle for independence, and it has become an iconic symbol of Mexican patriotism. Okay, as we know, no, that Mexico before was under the Spanish colonial rule. Number 4. What is the capital of Indonesia, known for its sprawling skyline, vibrant street life, and as a melting pot of cultures and cuisines, reflecting the archipelago's diverse heritage? A. Lisbon, B. Cairo, C. Jakarta, and D. Kuala Lumpur. Okay. Ang sagot natin ay letter C, it's Jakarta. Jakarta is the capital city of Indonesia. Okay, so this is the map. All right, this is Indonesia, and here is Jakarta, their capital city. Okay, so it is based on the question. Oh, the city of Jakarta is a melting pot of many cultures and communities. The main reason of this is that the city does not only offer a potentially high standard of living, but also offers numerous business opportunities, attracting migrants from different parts of the country. And for their landmark, this monument here, Independence Monument in Jakarta, or their national monument, it was built to commemorate the struggle of Indonesian independence. This monument. So we know that the Dutch were the major colonial force in Indonesia before it gained its independence. Number five, what is the capital of France? Celebrated for its romantic ambience, world renowned art museums, and architectural landmarks that have inspired artists, writers, and travelers for centuries. A. Lille, B. Nice, C. Versailles, and D. Paris. Okay, the answer is Paris. Okay, so this is France in the map. This is France, and this is Paris. Its capital city. And its famous landmark, very famous, is the Eiffel Tower. It was this one. Okay, so it was constructed as the centerpiece of the 1889 World's Fair. This was named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. Number six, what is the capital of Turkey? A bustling city known for its beautiful Angora cats and rabbits, historical museums, and as the heart of the nation, famous for its rich history. Okay, by the way, before we say Turkey, but now often we say Turkey as the new pronunciation of how we say the country. That's Turkey. Okay. So A, Ankara, B, Istanbul, C, Izmir, and D, Antalya. The answer is Ankara. Okay. All right. So that is Ankara, and this is the famous landmark there. Okay, so the Kajitepe. Okay, this one. So this is the largest mosque in Ankara, Turkey. It was built in a classic Ottoman style architecture. It has beautiful interiors inside and is beautifully illuminated. So the capital city of Turkey is Ankara. Next, number number seven. In which European city would you be if you were exploring ancient ruins and thermal springs, all while being in one of the continent's oldest cities and the capital of a country famous for its rose oil production and yogurt? A. Belgrade, B. Sofia, C. Baku, and D. Varna. The answer is Sofia. Okay, so this is Bulgaria, the country, and then its capital city is Sofia. Okay, so in the side of this picture, no, beside the map, that is the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. So this cathedral, this cathedral symbolize the primary tourist spots in Sofia, Bulgaria. Number eight, this is the only divided capital in the world where a green line separates the northern and southern parts, making it a unique destination for history buffs and peace seekers alike. A. Larnaca. B. Nicosia. C. Ayia Napa. And D. Praia. Okay. Ang tamang sagot ay Nicosia. Okay, so this is the map of Nicosia. Okay, the capital of Cyprus. And the green line, no, as we relate the pictures in the question. Okay, so this green line, this one serves as the demarcation between, established in 1963, but it was expanded into a UN buffer zone after the 1974 conflict. So this line separates the internationally recognized Republic of Cyprus in the south and from the self-declared Turkish Republic of the Northern Cyprus. Number 9, name this capital of Greece, a city that is a cradle of Western civilization, known for its ancient landmarks like the Acropolis and Parthenon, and a rich historical and cultural heritage that spans a millennium. A. Thessaloniki. B. Santorini. C. Crete. And D. Athens. All right, so the answer is letter D, it's Athens, the capital of Greece. Okay, so this is the map. Athens, this is Greece, and this is Athens, their capital city. And then this picture, this is the Acropolis, no, meaning the high city. It is one of the most famous ancient archaeological sites in the world. Okay, it was the home of kings, believed to be the mythical home of gods, and then a religious center. And now this has become the tourist attraction. This is located on a limestone hill above Athens, Greece. Number 10, the last number for this part 3. Identify this capital of Croatia, known for its medieval architecture, vibrant cultural scene, and a gateway to the stunning Adriatic coast, offering a blend of history, art, and natural beauty. A. Zagreb. B. Rijeka. C. Tallinn. And D. Asmara. Okay, the answer is uh, A. Zagreb. Okay, so this is Croatia and this is Zagreb, no, on the map, their capital city. And their famous landmark there is the Assumption of Blessed Virgin Mary and Saint Stephen and Ladislav. Okay, this one. Excuse me. Okay, so this is a cathedral. Okay, so this is considered to be the landmark as it is visible from most part of the city. Okay, so I think, all right, so that would be all for this part 3. Part 4 will soon be uploaded. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in here in my channel, and I hope that you get something in here. You remember the landmark, no, and then the name of the city, and that is the capital of that certain country. And I really hope that you can use the knowledge that you've gained here during the examination, the let examination on September. Okay, so thank you so much and have a blessed day ahead.